Vakomana veBBC aiwa Zimbabwe, vakomana tikona vaine nyaya yavo yavachitsanangura from their own point of view vachiti this 2030 agenda yamuri kuona iri kupointiwa out is not all about the leader vaEmmerson Mnangagwa. Vari kuya panapa vachiramba vachiti aiwa this is a game plan yauine Mudhancuve pamwechete naAuxilia kuti this game plan iri kuda kuti aiwa pavana ava vede leader pane anofanira kuzotora aiwa utungamiri ozolida nyika yeZimbabwe. Sena mina mashow amudanyikwa panapa totipa subscribe like on the bell icon. Vanoposta mapictures samuri kuona avo with the two twins vokudanyira mberi vachiti oine Mudhancuve and Auxilia's game plan. The whole 2030 mantra is not for ED stay in power, but is to pave way for Mnangagwa's boys to take over. On X Space yesterday, Mnangagwa's nephew said he doesn't want ED to continue beyond 2028, but he wants the constitution to be amended to allow those who are aged between below 40 to contest for the office of president. We know who's below that age. ED didn't just put his boys in strategic ministries. It's a game plan to consolidate power. While people are focusing on 2030, don't lose focus on other plans that can be used against. In pictures below is one of Muda's foot soldiers pushing Mnangagwa's boys close to power. I'm sure we will one day vote for one of these fine well-mentored cadres to president at some point in life. It's already written. Rubaposta mapictures samuri kuona iyo mashoko ari kubuda panapa chikuzwana kumuna BBC Zimbabwe chiti aiwa vakomana chimboonai zvinhu zviri kuitika kubackground zvawaya vachitsanangura nekupenengura panapa imi chitiudzai munoti kudii pamusoro mashoko abuda anyikwa panapa BBC Zimbabwe. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe like pamwe chete turn on the bell icon.